as you can see, today we will be converting exponents into logarithms and logarithms into exponents. Here's just a short definition that I like to think of when I'm converting exponents into logarithms. As you can see, we're just rearranging things. A, B, B, C, C. It's the same basically for everything. Whether if you have numbers, letters, symbols like smiley face, sometimes even words. So these are some problems I'd like you to try. So pause the video and I'll then come back when you're ready for your answers. And we're back. So I hope you tried them, because it's answer time. Yeah. So here are the answers. Something you may notice is, like for this one, the way you would write it would be log 2 equals 100. Because, let's zoom up on that. You just should naturally, because normally when you just see log and then, like for example 2 and then 100, you should assume that there's a 10 there. So yeah, and then and for this one, it was just an example for showing you that you're just rearranging things. May see those later on. Wink wink, hint hint. So this is my example of what could be going on if I told you that I'm going to give you more examples. Yeah. You're going to be like, oh no, I don't need them. I'm going to be like, too bad, you're getting them. So here are some more examples. And pause the video. And we're back. So here are the answers. You may notice that there's a negative here. Negative. So, for negative, it's just your, well, I don't know if you're learning them now or if you're going to learn them later. But basically, you're acting if you times that number. Here, I'll show you. If you times, so this is how, damn it. So negative 3, it would be like 1 over 3, like that. And that equals, as you know, 27. So, and then here's another example of symbols. And we already talked about this. And if you still don't get it, or I explained it really terribly, this is what I wrote. Because everyone knows that Mrs. V is obviously Jesus for algebra. She just knows it like the back of her hand. So that's all. Sorry if I did this really badly. Not really good with these types of things. But hopefully some of you got this. At least the way I explained it. And bye.